following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 12:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Santa Cruz County in Northern California until 1:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 12:48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe windstorm was located over the ocean, providing strong southerly wind gusts over Santa Cruz County. This is a destructive storm for Santa Cruz County. Hazard, wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated and observations in Santa Cruz of 59 miles per hour. These winds are expected to intensify down to the surface over the next hour. Impact, expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Santa Cruz, Scotts Valley, Capitola, Live Oak, Aptos, Twin Lakes, Opal Cliffs, Van Loman, Eureka Canyon Road, Felton, Soquel, Rio del Marne Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across Santa Cruz County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.